back to another video. Today, as you can see, we are in the new studio. Let's show you guys this level. We have the wind sign, looking pretty cool, I think. It has a bunch of lures on the bottom, as you guys just saw in the little intro. So I think today I'm going to make a lure because I don't think I'm going to do anything else today. So let's get right into that. Okay, guys, so I finished that fly. You guys saw that on time lapse. So I guess it's also sort of a lure. The hook is there. So basically, I took a few pieces of wire, some light dubbing, and this cool string to make the head. And I'm going to get you a better view. Hey guys, now that I've set it up so it's not shaky, you can see the hook got a little water on it. It's a tiny bit rusty, but I'm going to brush that off with like a piece of, I don't know, sandpaper. And so there are these crinkled wires right here, the head and the body. So I hope you guys thought that this was a cool lure. Thank you guys so much for watching, as always. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot. And so, yeah, see you in the next video.